Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Salesforce Code Analyzer. This powerful tool helps developers maintain high-quality code by scanning for common issues in Apex, Visualforce, and Lightning web components. It's designed to enhance security, performance, and overall code maintainability. By integrating it into your development workflow, you can catch potential problems early and ensure your applications run smoothly and securely. Let's dive into the steps to get started. To begin using the Salesforce Code Analyzer, your first step is to ensure you have the Salesforce command line interface installed. Once the CLI is ready, you'll easily add the Code Analyzer plugin with a simple command. This setup process is straightforward and typically takes only a few minutes. After installation, you'll configure your project to tell the analyzer exactly which code files and folders to scan, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Once set up, running a code analysis is simple. Navigate to your project's root directory and execute the analysis command. You can customize your scan by specifying particular rule sets or even individual rules, allowing for highly targeted checks. After the scan completes, a detailed report will be generated, highlighting any identified issues. This report provides clear insights into code quality, security vulnerabilities, and performance bottlenecks, helping you prioritize fixes. Interpreting analysis results is crucial for effective code improvement. The report categorizes findings by severity, helping you quickly identify and prioritize critical issues like security vulnerabilities or performance bottlenecks. Each finding includes clear recommendations for remediation. To maximize benefits, integrate the Code Analyzer into your continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines. This ensures consistent code quality and security checks with every code change, fostering a robust development environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.